New E88 Pro Drone 4K Professional GPS HD 4K RC Airplane Dual Camera Wide Angle Head Remote Quadcopter Airplane Toy Helicopter. Warning/disclaimer. Warning for recreation use only. Illegal modification of drones/planes is prohibited. Please also pay attention to the relevant laws and regulations on the use of drones/planes in your country/area to ensure legal use. Strength and resistant engineering plastics, lightweight and durable resistance. It supports 3-level flight speed to switch that can make it more fun with the fly. There are 4 channels that can ascend, descend, forward, backward, left sideward fly, right sideward fly, and rolling 360 degrees. Features: GPS drones. Color: black. Material: engineering plastic. Size: 25 by 20 by 5.5 cm/9.84 x 7.87 x 2.17 inch. The arms not folded. 12.5 by 8 by 5.5 cm/4.92 x 3.15 x 2.17 inch. The arms folded. Frequency: 2.4 G. Channel: 4ch. Motor: 816 poreless motor. Quadcopter battery: 3.7 V 1800 mAh LiPo. Can be choose the battery quantity when order. Transmitter battery: 3x 1.5 AA battery, not included. Flying time: 20 minutes. Charging time: 100 minutes. R/C distance: 100 m. Camera: 4K/dual 4K, optional. Add music zoom function, and dual camera switch. Add music zoom function, dual camera function. 2.4 GHz technology adopted for anti-interference. Function: up/down, forward/backward, turn left/right, sideward flight, 3-level flight speed, LED light, headless mode. 1 key automatic return, altitude hold mode, Wi-Fi FPV, trajectory flight, camera/video. Packing list: 1 E88 RC Quadcopter. 1 transmitter. 1 3.7 V 1800 mAh LiPo battery. 1 USB charging cable. 4 protection cover. 4 spare fans. For specifications, order, and other information, please follow the description and click the link. Thanks for watching.